Next one, swimwear fits problem. My bottoms always rise up or give me a wedgie. Number one, how small, how tight is your underwear? That is like my ultimate go-to a lot. It's very surprising how women do not want to get rid of their underwear, or they're so comfortable with the underwear, or it's their favorite underwear. It's just so many, I want to say excuses, because I think that's very it's appropriate for what I'm thinking of. If I were to go through your closet and kind of just ask, just to try to better or up your image, because that's what you hired me for. But with swimwear, there are different cuts. There are definitely different cut styles, just like how there's different cut styles with boots. There's boot cut, there's straight, there's bell bottoms. Definitely check to see what the fit is. So this girl right here, she has high waist boy shorts. So if that's something that you're going for, then go for it, girl. Now, if you want, let me see, there's classic fit, there's full coverage, there's high waisted, there is low rise, high leg, cheeky. Like, there's just so many different You definitely need to know what style this swimwear is that you're buying. Let me see what this one is. We got a cute little room here. Let me stop. All right, so I took the green screen off. So here is a regular classic type of fit. If this is something that you're going for where you want full coverage, then go for it. There are some that really just have that narrow portion of your swimwear, and that if that's something that you don't want, but then don't buy it. Let me see. See, this one piece is full coverage, so it has that classic type of fit, so you will get full coverage. So yes, we all want to look cute and demure and everything above, but we also want to be functional and together internally. We're having that in our minds. So definitely, before you buy, know what type of cut it is at the bottom. It's just so many. I know as women, we have so much to look into when it comes to these type of things. That's why I said I am strategic, because there are a lot of intricate things that just misalign, and unfortunately, us women, we all don't have the same the body parts. I mean, some of us are top heavy and then bottom heavy. Some of us are just straight narrow up and down. Some of us are way more full at the bottom, or certain areas at the bottom. You just need to figure out your formula. So looking into what the style is would be very, very helpful for you and will save you the long run. So being specific and not just picking up any generic thing will save you the long run, trust me.